Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. So here is the part 3 of the video series in which we are learning the Korean weather related terms. If you have not watched the first 2 parts yet, you can go and watch them on Korean Express YouTube channel. So now let's start with the third part. First comes the Korean word for forecast, and that is 예보. 예보. Okay, next is the Korean word for frost, and that is sorry. Now let's see the Korean word for monsoon or rainy season, and that is 우기. Okay, now comes the Korean word for gust, and that is 돌풍. Okay, now comes the Korean word for hot. Here, hot means when the weather conditions are hot. Okay, so for hot weather, the adjective in Korean language is 덥다. Okay, similarly for cold weather conditions, the adjective that is used in Korean language is 춥다. Okay. Now comes the Korean word for humid climatic conditions or humid weather conditions. Then the Korean word for humid is 습하다. Okay. Next is the Korean word for chilly weather, and that is 쌀쌀하다. Okay. Next is the Korean word for dry. Okay, for dry weather in Korean language, the word is 건조하다. And the last one is the Korean word for cloudy weather, and that is 흐리다. Okay, so today we learned 10 very easy weather related terms in Korean language. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.